Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple shake effect for your edits in CapCut. So first you need to add your clips. I'm using 2 for this edit. Now just click on a second clip, go to animations. Under the in category, select the swing bottom animation. Okay, then set it for 0.5 seconds, and then still on the animations, click on out, then select the fade out for also for I think for 0.3 seconds it's enough. So if you have more than 2 clips, you can do this for every clips. Then after that, go to video effect, click on the nightclub category, and then select the shake effect. Adjust the speed into 90, then the intensity 30. Okay, click on the check icon, put it at the beginning of the second clip. Okay, after that, click on the transition box, camera, and then select the pull in for 0.4 seconds. And now go to the video effects again, opening and closing, and then select the oblique blur effect, put it under the shake effect, click on object and apply it to all videos. And now add keyframes at the start, adjust the blur. Okay, so at the start, adjust the blur to here, and then add another keyframe and lower the blur to 0. So it will go like this. Okay, so that's a simple shake tutorial from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.